Hello and welcome to my Desire to Learn learning management system, where I'm going to do a demo student check on the work that I have already done. So let's go ahead and get started. I have to go to class list. I'm going to go ahead and go to demo student and impersonate. All right, while I'm here, I want to make sure that my Dropbox worked correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and go into Dropbox. Week 1 Dropbox has not been submitted, so I'm going to go ahead and add a file here. I am going to add a file from my computer just as a basic Word document. I'm just going to hit my first one. I'm uploading it in a Word document so that I can see how well Turnitin did, and it was linked because I have to have that plagiarism detection tool turned on. So I'm going to make sure that it did. Confirmation emails, yep, that looks good. All right, so I was able to submit it, and now it says 1 submission, 1 file. It has the due date listed there and the Turnitin similarity. Let's see here. So it's going to, let's see. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. So because I don't have a valid email address, I wonder if other people had that problem as well. I'll have to report that. And then I'm going to go in here under assessment and go to quizzes and exams. So I have my week 1 quiz here. I'm going to see what it looks like. I have my current time, how much time is allowed, unlimited attempts. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. All right. It looks like I don't have it available yet. So that's a problem for me to test it. So I'm actually going to go ahead and hit the X and go back into my quiz really quickly while you guys are on with me and open that up so that you guys can see me take it so that I can check to make sure. So I'm glad I'm doing this because this is the whole point of testing it and making sure that it works. Let's see, no start date. Okay, it should work now. All right, so class list, demo, student, impersonate. All right, let's try this again, shall we? Quizzes, week 1. All right, perfect. Now I have my instructions down here and I can start the quiz. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and hit the right answers. Kind of like that. My favorite color is blue. And then use the words. I'm just going to check random stuff in here to make sure it works. We can answer, obviously. And as you notice, they randomized the questions because I originally had the true and false question as question 1, so I got a different order of questions. 5 out of 5 questions answered. Submit quiz. Once I submit, I can't go back. Perfect. That's fair because I would have to go in and manually grade the long answer and match it. So, you know, that works. I will see what it looks like. And this was attempt 1. So because I put unlimited attempts, I could go back in and attempt it multiple different times in order to get a better grade because it's going to average out all of the attempts. So now that I've done that, I'm actually going to go back to the instructor view and show you what it looks like to look at that Dropbox submission. So I can see here that I have a new submission. I can click on that link and it brings me to the submission. So Turnitin is still working on it. I can see it. Turnitin is in progress. I can grade it over here, which is good. It is unevaluated as of right now. I can click the document and it will pull up what I want. I can grade it over here. I can add feedback because feedback is very important. And then I'm going to hit publish. Perfect. And then I'm actually going to go in and I want to look at the quizzes. So assessment, quiz and exams. And I see here I have 1 out of 1 published. So I'm going to click into this. Submission views. grade. There we go. All right, let's see. Attempt 1. So I can give feedback here. Awesome. So you see that these points were correct. These points were correct. So now this one, not auto-graded, a default of 0 was assigned because I have to go in and grade it myself manually. So if I were to go in and grade it manually, I can change that grade and update it. And now the student has received a 16 out of 16. So that is just double checking and verifying that your quiz worked and was submitted to gradebook absolutely fine and that there was no issues. So that is my demo student check for Dropbox and my quiz assignment. Thanks for watching.